Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to delete a group on WhatsApp. First of all, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Now you can see I'm here in my mobile phone. Now I'll go to WhatsApp and now open this test group. Now I want to delete this test group. For that, tap on this name of this group and scroll down. And you can find here are members. Just remove all the members from here. For this, you must be admin of this page. Now tap on this name and tap on this remove and OK. Now you can see I am only the member over here, group admin. After that, just tap on this exit group and exit. And you can see you are no longer a member of this group. And all the members are removed. After that, you can see here is delete group. Tap on this and just tap on this delete group. You can see that group, the test group is deleted. So in this way, we can delete group on WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.